Hi friends, today I am going to draw gear profile by using the dimensions of number of teeth 20 and module 5. So these are the basic geometry parameters to draw the gear profile. By using these dimensions, we will draw a spur gear. So in this table, here I am showing the formulas and here I am showing the basic parameters. So you must need to draw any gear profile, how many number of teeth and what is the module of the gear. Today I am going to draw by using the SolidWorks. So actually the profile of this gear is I am going to draw Involute profile. Okay, so this is the environment of SolidWorks 2021. Here you go to start with a new drawing. So this is part modeling. So I am selecting part modeling. Click OK. Okay. So this is the basic environment of SolidWorks. So in this front plane, top plane, and right plane. So I hope you already have some knowledge in SolidWorks. So I am directly go to draw the gear profile. So first of all, I am going to select front plane. So in front plane, go to sketch mode. Okay. So in this, I am going to draw circle. Here circle symbol, you will just click the circle symbol, go to this origin point, click this point and drag it. So here what are the dimensions for the pitch circle diameter is here 100 mm. So this is radius, so 100 mm I will give 50. So click yes. Next go to addendum circle 110 mm diameter. For that again I am going to draw circle here from this point to from this point 110 mm diameter, so 110 mm by 2 because this is radius. Enter. Next draw another circle. This is go to and check it addendum circle diameter. Addendum circle diameter is 87.5 divided by 2. Enter. Now go to the base circle diameter. So this is I just copy and go to SolidWorks. Here again I am going to draw circle. Here paste the value, Control V, paste the value by 2 because it is radius. So out of this you have an idea about this one is my pitch circle. So that I am going to make it as construction for construction. Now this is our addendum circle, this is our addendum circle, and this one is the base circle. So the involute profile is starting from the base circle. So for that here I am going to draw one more line from center point to this base circle. Okay. So by using the array command, here I am going to make this line into number of divisions. I mean make this number of parts. So that I am going to array command. In that array command, here this is my center, and what is the patterns are number of patterns I am going to select. How many means here I am giving 10, say 10. Suppose here the angle is just 30 degrees. Just see what happened. Yeah, 30 degrees. Just or you want some more, give 40 degrees. Okay, 40 degrees, just give 40 degrees, then you will get some more. So click yes. Now what I will do is here to draw a line, see, observe clearly, to draw line from this point and make and show this cursor to this line, and then you will get the perpendicular line. Okay, select. Now what you will do is I will show you. First draw perpendicular lines from all the points. Again go to line, draw perpendicular line for this line, go to show, and yeah, already I have completed here. Now go to the second here, this point, and go to this one. Okay, next go to sketch, go to line, second point is already completed. From this point again draw this line, select, and go to sketch and draw line. 1 2 3 completed. Fourth point, and again draw from this point to this point, select, and again sketch, draw line. Fourth is completed, and come fifth point and to identify this point. Okay, now draw sketch line from this point to this point. Okay, done. Next line from this point to this, so this one, select, and again draw line. This one is completed from this point to parallel line. Just whatever the dimensions, you just draw perpendicular lines only. Later I will explain you how to create an involute. So here I am going to construct an involute. So that involute profile starting from this point. For that, before to draw involute profile, you have already some fundamental knowledge how to draw the involute. So now I am going to smart dimension. Here you clearly observe first this point to this point, and show the circle. Then you will get the arc length. Okay, click yes. Next, or else you directly select this one and copy this one, Control C, click yes. You just select this line. Here you will paste this, Control V, then enter. That is your line. Okay, next similarly you will go to smart dimension from this point to this point and show to circle. Then you will get make it like this. This is you just delete this one, is not a arc length. Again go to smart dimension, select first point and select second point, click on circle. Then you will get so that again you will okay, later we will do it one by one. Now from this third point and this first point, so the circle and go to this, click OK, just OK. Now this point and first point and show to circle and go to here, click OK. Next go to smart dimension, select first point and select this point, click on circle. Then you will get this dimension. Similarly from this point to this point and click on circle, then go to outside of the circle for clear visibility. Okay, now go to smart dimension from first point to this point and go to show and circle, complete here. Similarly from this point and this point and show to, click on circle. Okay, now last point Mhm. Okay. Then see, observe, I'm going to change the dimensions of these lines. This one 32.8. Just click on line. Here you want to change 32.8. Enter. Simply. Next one 29.16. Select this line 29.16. Enter. Next 25.51. 25.51. Next one 21.87. 21.87. Next one 18.22. 18.22. Next one 14.58. This one 14.58. Okay. Next this one 10.93. Sorry, 10.93. Okay. Next one next this one 7.29. So this one is the 7.29. And see, if you observe, I am going to off the dimensions for understanding. See, if you observe, to draw a smooth curve passing through all these endpoints of these tangent lines, sorry, perpendicular lines, then you will get the involute profile. So by using spline curve from this point to this point, this point to this point, this point to this point, this point, this point, and this point, select. See, so in this way, now I don't want to, now I want to remove these lines one by one. Remove all these lines, because already we have a profile, so we need not to draw these lines. Okay. Yes. So now we have a profile. Now what we will do is, now take a line, select this intersection point. Okay, from this point to join this center of the circle. Now what I will do is again draw another line from this point to this point. Okay, now you will identify the thickness of this tooth on the pitch circle diameter. So what is that tooth thickness here? 7.854. So what I will do is 7.854. Now I will copy this one. Copy. Here I am going to put the dimension from this point to this point and a circle. Yeah, this is my dimension. Here I will give this dimension by 2. Yes. Now what I will do is, about this line I will mirror this involute profile. For that I am going to mirror, select mirror entities, select this entity, and about mirror line is, this is my mirror line. Click yes. Okay. Now I want to going to remove all these lines. I don't want to I don't want to this line. I don't want this line. and I'm going to trim. I'm going to trim this outside portion. So this is also we don't need. Okay, so this is invalid profile. Now what I will do is, so I will, yeah, now what I will do is, again I will do trim to remove this middle portion. Now give some control Z. Yeah, actually, uh, if you observe all these steps, there is one more circle is missing. For that, again I am going to draw circle from this point to missing circle is a addendum circle. So here 87.5 divided by 2, enter. Okay, so now what I will do is, here I am going to apply the trim. This one is trim, this one is trim. See, sketch, trim. Now, and delete this one. I am going to draw line again. Suppose from the center point to this point. Okay, again draw another line from this center point to this point. Okay, now I am going to use the trim command, power trim. Yeah, okay. Now going to apply fillet. What is the fillet radius? Root fillet radius is about 1.5 mm. 1.5 mm. So go to sketch, go to fillet. Here you will give 1.5 and select the fillet edges, this and this, this and this. Click yes. Okay. You will also give some tip radius, tooth tip radius. Taken some 0.5 mm or something. There is a range between 0.1 to 0.25 module. So I am consider here 0.5 mm from this point to this point, from this point to this point. Click yes. Okay. So now click yes here. Now I am going to using the array. I will make into 20 teeth, so that for go to array command. First of all, what you want to array, you will select, then go to array command. Okay, here you will give 20 teeth. Okay, simply click on yes. See, if you observe, you will get 20 teeth total. Now using the trim command, you just remove this one, power trim. This is called power trim. Just you click on mouse and you drag the mouse, uh, left click. If you left click and drag your mouse. Okay, if you left click, you drag your mouse. Okay, if you don't want this line, make it into for construction. Next, so exit from sketch. So now come to the feature, go to extruded. Here give 20 width. 20 mm is the width. Click yes. Say yes. See, sorry, I am going to edit. Always take mid plane for mid plane. Click yes. See, observe this one. So and you want to add one more sketch, make it perpendicular. There is a shaft, 20 mm shaft, taking radius 10 mm, and extrude features, extrude cut. So if you want to remove, simply click S. So this is your first gear wheel. Now I will convert into this complete gear into 3-teeth gear for the finite element analysis, for the convenience to reduce the complexity of the calculations, so notes and everything. So now I am going to convert this gear into 3-teeth. So for that purpose, again I am going to here sketch, edit sketch. See, edit sketch plane and edit sketch. So make it perpendicular, and go to a line, draw a line from this point to this point, select, okay, and again draw another line from this point to at least 3 teeth, select. Okay, now what you want is, again go to trim command, you just connection, you just disconnect. If you want to remove it, everything you will remove by the trim command. Okay, everything it will remove. Here also, if you want to remove everything, remove, no issue. So now what I will do is, simply I will select and delete. Yes, yes, let's do all. Here I will delete complete. Okay, I don't want. Now observe. So this is the gear, spur gear. In the next video I will explain how to assemble the two gears, pinion gear, okay, and spur, I mean that is gear and wheel, how to assemble two gears and how to give the motion to the two gears. In the next video I will explain the assembly. Thank you.